Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a Google Sheets editable for everyone. So in here, I have a file on my Google Sheets and for now, the access into this file is only to me. So if you can see on the share button, now the current status is private to only me, but if you want to change the access, you want to make it editable for everyone, you can just click on the share button at the top, and then here you need to change the general access from restricted. Just click on this drop down to anyone with the link. Okay, like this, and you can see here there is this option. So there are three role that you can choose for the people that has access into this file. You can set them as viewer only, commenter, or editor. So let's say I want to make them as editor. You can just copy the link, or you can add directly the people that you want to have access to in here. You can just click on their email, and after that just click on done. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.